Hey everybody, welcome back. Thank you for watching. Hey, I'm back with a great app, and with a little time, you can make money with it and replace a few other apps. Now this will be a full tutorial for beginners and even pros that think they may have seen it all. Look everyone, stick with me on this and watch the whole video. You will be happy you did. Okay, what am I talking about? This is the Cash App. Yeah, that's the name. Anyways, I have been using it for a while now, and I've come to really liking it and how easy it is to use with no fees like some of the other apps out there. Okay, this is the Cash App. Yeah, that's what it's called. Hey, be sure when you enter your information that it is correct and not any fake stuff, because this is a legit app and a legit financial company behind it. So save yourself some headaches down the road and just it's good to get everything in there that needs to be in there. All right, now that you're all set up, let's take a look at the main screen. Now there's a nice big green screen, which is great. Now this is a peer-to-peer payment screen. So say you want to pay someone $50. Just type in 50 and click on pay. Then choose your recipient and off it goes. Neat. Now you're also able to send stock and Bitcoin, but more on that in a few minutes. Now, same way to get some cash, but click on the request button and choose your payer account using the cash tag, SMS, or email. Now, when you send or receive, you can add a note to let everybody know what's going on or why they're getting the request. So it's always nice to do that. Now, payment is instant. It's within seconds. I mean, it just works that well. No fees still, okay, unless you want to take money out real quick, they may charge you a fee then. While using the Cash App and its related cash card is totally free. Now there are a few fees that you will face when you start using this app, but fortunately these are fees that are pretty much avoidable. Now the Cash App charges a 3% fee if you use a credit card to send money, but making payments with a debit card or a bank account is free. Now, the Cash App also charges a 1.5% fee if you request an instant transfer of your funds from your Cash App account to your linked debit card or the bank. If you request to transfer money to the bank account, the transfer is free. However, it must wait about 1 to 3 business days, which it's been averaging 1 day, for the transaction to process. Okay, top left, you will see a QR code icon. Now, on this, you can either scan someone else's code, or you choose the My Code tab there, and it will display a pre-made QR code so others can scan to pay you. That's really nice if you're out and you're trying to sell something or you're trying to buy something from somebody. It's a great way to transfer money back and forth. No fees. I keep bringing that up because that means a great deal when you have all these other companies that just keep charging the heck out of you. Okay, on the top right, you are going to be able to access your profile. So it's going to have your name, your cash tag, and many other options you may need. Let's take a look at the options and we'll go from there. Now you can edit your profile. That's pretty standard stuff. Okay, next up is you can invite friends. Well, for that matter, anyone. Doesn't have to be a friend, but it's there for you. Next is add your favorites that you may use more than others. Okay, so if you really use one person or one company more than others, because a lot of companies are doing this. A lot of companies are using this app to pay their employees instead of, depositing into the bank and so forth. So they use a Cash App because it doesn't cost them anything to do so. Now the next one up is linking your banking information and credit card info. Easy, self-explanatory there. Okay, the next one is add family accounts. Now this is a great option if you have teens and the need to stay on top of their money uses along with sending cash when needed. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the limits. When you're starting out on this app, you will have some limits. Now the limits are as such as when you can only send $2,500 a week. Now you can receive unlimited funds, so that's no big deal there. You can add $2,500 a week and cash out up to $25,000 per week. Next up is support. You can go to support. It'll have like rental assistance. You can use it with rental assistance, depending on what state you're in. Paper money deposit, access old account if you have one, report a payment issue or something else. And if you still need help, you can go ahead and start a chat. And they're actually very quick at responding to that. Now, the next one up is notifications, where you're going to set what you want them to notify you about. And then the next one is documents, okay, about your account statements and tax returns. And then the next one down is referral status. Now, this is just going to tell you how much you have in referrals. Okay, back on the main screen, bottom left on the green main screen, you will see your balance. Okay, just a number there if you have any balance there. But click on it and you can add cash, you can cash out, you can make a direct deposit, make a bank transfer. You can deposit paper money at many of the local locations like Walmart's, etc. Dollar General is another good one. I think they charge like $1 to do it, but you can do it. You can even have reoccurring deposits from your bank. So if you know you're going to have so much every month, like you're going to pay rent or something like that, and you need that cash that you pay it with, it can put it in your account. It'll draw it out of your bank and put it in your Cash App. Now, at the very bottom of this, you're going to see where they actually take care of your tax time with free tax filings. Next, let's go ahead and tab over to the Cash Debit Card, where they will actually send you a physical Visa debit card to use anywhere. Now, you can also add this card to Google Pay, lock the card for any reason, and they also have what they call is a boost. Now, you can get some pretty good discounts from many of the retailers. Now, if you see one, go ahead and click on it, such as, let's do Starbucks, 10% off, and add the boost. Okay, now you can pay with your Cash App debit card. They usually have a minimum purchase and a maximum discount, and you'll see it there. And they expire fast, so you want to go ahead and use the boost when you're ready to use it. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at Roundups. Okay, this is really something that I kind of fallen into, and I like it. Now, Roundup is something that I've been using for a while, now on my personal account. Now, what it is it round up your spare change to the nearest dollar when you use your cash card, and it will automatically invest in stocks or EFT and even Bitcoin for you. Now, you just need to tell it which one to do. Now, I was amazed at how fast it added up and how many more stocks I have without thinking about it. I mean, it just does it. And you really don't notice it until, you go look. Which brings me to the next screen. Hey, let's go and click on the squiggly arrow down there and start investing with fractions. This is the cool part I really think you're going to enjoy. Okay, here on the next tab, you're going to be looking at Bitcoin market. So let's go ahead and jump into that. Now, you can buy and sell fractions here too, since one Bitcoin is over $21,000 right now. I mean, for each Bitcoin. I did a big project a while back, and I agreed to be paid by Bitcoin and just kind of forgot about it. Be honest with you, I wasn't that into Bitcoin, but I figured, well, I'll go ahead and try it. And then I didn't really work from there. Well, needless to say, the fund went up and I made some really good money with it. Let's just say I paid off my house, for those of you who are going to be asking. Be honest with you, dumb luck. As you can see with the Cash App, it's really a nice setup. It's easy to use. More and more people are getting in on it. Okay, look, I'm not going to give out financial advice or anything like that. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, but I am going to show you that you do not need a lot of money to invest. Heck, as low as the spare change I was talking to you about earlier in Roundups. Hey, this is a great way to get in the game, guys. Hey, take a look. I'm going to buy some AT&T stock for as little as $1. Now, this is an excellent portal for investing in blue chip companies, and one that's not going to scare off newbies, because it's just that simple. Okay, play around with it. Do a little stock investigating, then jump in the market when you have found that great investment. Okay, let's go ahead and buy AT&T stock, just like I said, for $1. Oh, it's as easy as this. You're really going to like this. You can go through. They have all kinds of stock that you can buy. Pretty much all blue chips. I mean, you can just search for anything you want. You can kind of go through and look at the graph, see what they're doing. And if it's right for you, go ahead and place your order. It's that simple. Now, you can go ahead and do this. Once you get into the plus side of it, you can go ahead and sell your stock. and money will be deposited right into your account on this app. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, if you all use the app and sign up with the link I have in the description, right down there, I get a referral fee. Okay, it doesn't cost you a dime, doesn't go against anything you do or any of your morals or anything like that. I get a referral fee, and you get $5 for free. And then you can use your own referral link to make more money. Now I'm thinking every referral fee we get from your signups, I will invest it and see if we can't make some money together. I know nobody else does it, but I figured this is one of those things, like I said, we give back to those who give us, okay? Now, and the best part is, it doesn't cost you or me a thing. So the more viewers we can get in on this will benefit everyone even more. More money, more stock, more and so forth. Remember that. Now I'll do updated videos and posts for everyone. So be sure that you are subscribed and you click the bell notification so whenever there's an updated video that comes out, you'll be notified to say, hey, look, I'm part of that. Now, when we hit to a good point and the majority wants to cash out, we split the profits equally with everyone that was in the referral pool. So we'll do it with the Cash App too. So there's no fees going to you. Now I just thought this would be a fun way to make everyone money without everyone spending any money. Zero, nada, no money. Now just be sure to join with my link in the description and the code when they ask for who sent you. So you are included in the club. Now don't forget, you get a free $5 for joining through my link. Okay, how do you get your $5? Okay, you have up to 14 days once you download the app from my link, that's in the description, then link your debit card or a bank account to use, then use the app to send $5 to someone else, like your spouse or friend. They will place $5 back into your account and you're all set. So you get the $5 you sent to your spouse, then they give you $5. So now you have that extra $5. Now remember, we still have 2 giveaways going on. So check the links for those in the description also. Hey, thanks again, everybody. And if you've never shared a video, this would be the one to share.